last time step I'm going to teach you in this series is one that I refer to as the circle time step, or sometimes I also call it the rond de jambe time step. So rond de jambe is a ballet term, which basically means circle of the foot. And it starts kind of like the sliding time step, except instead of sliding the foot straight back, you are going to make a half circle with the leg to get the foot to the back. Now this can be done as a single, double, triple, 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 just like all the others. But somewhere along the line, I learned an interesting little break with it. So I like doing 2 circle time steps, just the single, and then the break. And then you do 2 on the other side and then the break, and it fills your phrase of music. The rond de jambe time steps starts with a stomp to the front, and then you're going to circle the leg around, step on it, and do a flap step. Then the other side would go stomp, around, step, flap, step, stomp, around, step, flap, step, stomp, around, step, flap, step, stomp, around, step, flap, step. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Round, step, flap, step. So doing things like the sliding time step and this time step where you're dragging part of your shoe. In this case, you're doing the toe. For the sliding, it's the whole foot. Sometimes you'll do things where you'll drag the heel. It gives you an opportunity to introduce sounds that are a little bit different than the standard sounds you get off of a brush or a step and things that you more typically do. So it's always a little more interesting when you've got that drag happening. Again, your single's going to be stomp, around, step, flap, step. Stomp, around, step, flap, step. Around, step, flap, step. Stomp, around, step, flap, step. Your double is going to be the same thing, except that step after you do the circle is going to be a flap. Stomp, around, flap, flap, step. Stomp, around, flap, flap, step. Around, flap, flap, step. Stomp around, flap, flap, step. Stomp around, flap, flap, step. Stomp around, flap, flap, step. Same thing with your triple. Stomp around, shuffle, step, flap, step. Stomp around, you would do a back shuffle, flap, step. Stomp around, back shuffle, step, flap, step. And stomp around, shuffle, step, flap, step. 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 And then your triple would be stomp around, shuffle, step, step. And again, those shuffles are going to be back shuffles, so they're kind of funky. Stomp around, shuffle, step, step. Stomp around, shuffle, step, step. Stomp around, shuffle, step, step. Around, shuffle, step, step. You're going to start with the right foot. You're going to do your 2 circle time steps. Stomp, around, step, flap, step, stomp, around, step, flap, step. From here, you're going to do your break. Now, this is a very interesting break, which is one of the reasons why I decided I wanted to do it this way so that you could learn this break and learn it on both sides. You're going to start with a stomp, and you're not going to put your weight, you're not stepping on it, you're just putting your foot down on the floor. From here we're going to do a little crawl, and so you're going to pivot the foot out and do a toe, then a heel, then a toe. So it's going to be stomp, toe, heel, toe. So again, it's 8, 1, 2, 3. On 4, you're going to do a spank with the left foot. You're going to do a left cramp roll, left, right, and then you're going to do a slap with the left foot with no weight change. So again, the break is going to be stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp roll, slap. There's a nice big pause between the cramp roll and the slap. It's a whole beat. That's the 6 count. So it's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Again, just the break. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's put it with the 2 circle time steps. So you have 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, clamp, roll, slap. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, clamp, roll, slap. One more time. 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, clamp, roll, slap. Okay, from here, we are going to repeat this, but starting on the left side. So you're doing your 2 circle time steps. Stomp, around, step, lap, step. Then your break. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap. So on this side, you start with your stomp on the left foot, you do your crawl, toe, heel, toe, you do your spank on the right foot, you do your cramp roll, right, left, and then you do your slap with the right foot. So break on the left side is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that again, just the break. 5, 6, 7, stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap. Okay, let's put just the left side together. 5 from the circle time step. 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap. All right, let's put the whole thing together. So you're doing 2 circle time steps in the break starting right, 2 circle time steps in the break starting left. So 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap. 5, 6, 7, stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll, slap. Stomp, around, step, lap, step. Stomp, toe, heel, toe, spank, cramp, roll,